up, guys? Welcome back. So guess what, we just got from Home Depot. Well, I just got from Home Depot. I don't know why I always keep saying we, but I just got back from Home Depot. I bought about 4 sheets of 24 by 30 sheet metal. We're gonna use that to cover up our Midgate, and then obviously I have to use some compound and putty and stuff to make it look nice and smooth and get rid of the edges and grind it down, sand it down, and yada yada yada. But we are going to go home, work on that right now so I can have some content out for you guys, and we are gonna make it look pretty. So let's get it. Alrighty guys, so here we are back in the garage. So we're gonna put this sheet metal here onto our Midgate. Why did I forget that word? Midgate. So we're gonna put that onto our Midgate, make it look all good and nice, and then we'll work on prettying it up with the bondo and painting it and whatever. So hopefully it doesn't get too heavy in there. And I figured something out to keep it straight, and I'll tell you guys that later on. So let us get this welded onto this. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, so welding sheet metal is a lot tougher than I thought. It wasn't as easy as welding these steel beams together. Even though it's the same concept, I had to adjust the wire speed and my arc volts, and I have no idea what I'm doing with it, so I kept playing around with it till it finally started sizzling the right way. And looks like I still need a lot of work on my welding with thinner sheet metal. I got the bars, you know, down packed. I'm good at that. But these sheet metal pieces, see, some of them held, some didn't. So I'll go back and redo the ones that didn't hold as good. But so far, for the most part, a lot of them held really well. We're just gonna try to get everything together, and then I'll go around and finalize all the welds in its entirety. But so far, so good. So far, it's coming along excellent. Welded up this spot, welded up this spot. Now I gotta make a cut for that spot, weld that spot on, and then flip it and focus on the back. So it's coming along great. Taking me a little while to weld it. Not showing you any clips of me welding because I kind of want to get this done with. But maybe I might show you a little bit of clips here and there so you guys can see something going on. But let me cut the other pieces and get this finished so we can work on the bodywork. Here is the Midgate all sealed up and welded up. It looks good. Don't worry about the weird patches and how they look. They will be filled with body filler, then it'll be sanded, and then it'll be painted or rhino lined, whatever looks better. I'll probably rhino line the whole thing. But so far, it looks really good. And I ran out of argon, which is my welding gas. So I ran out just in time. I'm sorry I didn't even get to show you guys me welding this, but I figured you all saw it in so many clips. I didn't want to bore you with the same repetitive clips all over again. So here it is one last time. Nice, straight, covered. We are going to fix the edges, grind down all the welds, body filler it, work on it, and yeah, paint it, rhino line it, do what we got to do. Neaten it up a little bit better than that, put it in the truck, and make sure that it works and it's operational. And now I also found a way to get these to stay in their upright position, locked. I'm going to use magnets. I think magnets are the best way to go. So I'm going to use some magnets and hold them down. And yeah, and then when I'm ready to put it in the down position, you don't need anything to really hold it in the down position because the magnets, you don't need magnets for that. They'll just be down. Gravity will hold it down. But when you have it in the upright position, magnets are the way to go. So I found these 70-pound magnets. So I'll probably buy like 4 of them, 2 on each side. And that's 140 pounds. That doesn't even weigh. That probably weighs like 30 pounds, maybe 20 pounds. 20-something pounds, maybe. Less, maybe a little bit more. 140 pounds is more than enough with those 70-pound magnets. So I'm going to get that. But first, let me work on the body filler and stuff. Maybe I can incorporate the magnets inside the body filler so it's hidden and it looks like it's all one. But guys, other than that, we're going to end the video right here. This was so fun. Like I said, again, I didn't get to show you guys me welding because you all seen it so many times already. Why bore you with the same clips? But if you guys like this video, please make sure you hit the like button below. Also, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think I should do with this Midgate to make it look cooler than it is. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And we'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.